Here's an example of a Venn diagram's probability question. Quite a tricky one, this one. In a tennis tournament, 98 players took part in the singles only, 34 players took part in the doubles only. Twice as many players took part in the singles as took part in the doubles. How many players took part in both the singles and the doubles? And there's a Venn diagram there. It says to help us, but really that's part of the question. Now, usually with Venn diagram questions, often with Venn diagram questions, you fill in the middle first. But actually on this one, I'm not going to fill in the middle first. I don't know the middle. 98 players took part in the singles only. Well, if that's singles only, then that actually just is this section here is for singles only. And 34 players took part in the doubles only. Well, then that means this section must be 34 because that's the section of people that did doubles only. And actually, on quite a tricky question, I've done the first bit now. I've worked one thing out. I've got myself 1 mark. So that's quite nice, okay? Now we get to the tricky bit. I need to make it so that twice as many people took part in the singles as the doubles. But the problem with that is the singles is this whole circle here. And the doubles is this whole circle there. And for both the singles circle and the double circle, I've got a section missing, this section here, but the section that's missing is in both of those circles, so it makes it quite awkward. So the only thing I can think to do is I'll have to say the people in both are X. Now, the people that took part in the singles is 98 that did singles only, plus X, the people that did both. People that took part in the doubles is X, people that did both, plus 34 that did doubles only. Now we know that twice as many players took part in the singles as the doubles. So this, my singles people, must be as big as 2 lots of this. Well, I know that 2 lots of this I can show by writing 2 brackets X plus 34. And now I know that these two are equal because my singles has to be as much as twice as much as my doubles. And now I've formed myself an equation. That, in my opinion, is the tricky bit of the question. Now I'm going to solve my equation. Well, firstly, I don't really want those brackets, so I'm going to multiply them out. 98 plus X equals 2X plus 68. Now I've got X's on both sides. I don't want X's on both sides, so I'm going to take X away from both sides. That leaves me with just 98 on this side and X plus 68 on this side. Nearly got X on its own now. I've only just got the 1X here. So now I'm just going to minus 68 to leave me with X equals 30. I'm going to put that back in to check if that is 30. Well, now I know that in my singles circle overall, there are 128. In my double circle overall, there are 64, and 128 is indeed double 64. That's quite a tough one. We know that's what that first mark was quite easy. Ultimately, a lot of you could just get that one with trial and error. You could have tried, what if it was 10 people did both? Well, that gives you 44 and 108. Well, so that doesn't work. What if it was 50 people did both? Well, that gives you 84 and 148. Well, that doesn't work. And just keep trying different numbers. But my way would be the ideal way of doing it.